Hey guys, welcome to another video at Sweevel's Garage. This video we are going to be going around the Raptor, showing you guys what we did in the previous video and then what we're about to do in this video. So I've been super lazy, that's why we keep plucking away on the Gen 1, because it's my daily right now. It's the one I'm enjoying, and the other ones are put away. I do have a leveling kit for the Raptor R that I need to put on, an IBOC, and like I said, I've just been lazy, so that's on me. But let's go around this and show you guys what we did in the last video. Just cleaned this thing up, guys. As you can see, the front looks way better with the headlights that we did and overlays on the grill. We're still gonna redo the hood wrap, I think, to make this thing bigger. This is my shop logo. We're gonna do my name all the way across, and then we're gonna move him in the back of it a lot bigger. So that's kind of what I'm thinking. But we still have to do the fender flares. That won't be for a while. But now that we've been doing the outside a lot, the inside needs attention. That's in the back seat's kind of busted up. But we're gonna put this pad on that I got. It's brand new. Now that we're done deer hunting, I didn't want to chew that up more. So we got the cushion and the pad. And then my wife bought some carbon fiber overlays for these in the steering wheel on her old 14. And I am not gonna lie, I'm not a huge fan of that cheap hydro dip carbon fiber, but it actually looked really good in hers. So I bought that kit. We're gonna be putting in here. Should look good, really good against the blue accent interior. So I'm gonna go over there and show you guys on the bench what I'm talking about. Okay guys, these are the overlays I'm talking about. And one thing, if you guys ever bought these for any of your vehicles, you know the tape that they put on is super cheap. So I start by, I'm gonna be ripping all that off and putting really good 3M tape on there so I don't have issues down the road. And then I also bought this, I didn't tell you guys about. It's from Built Right Industries. If you know that there's like a secret way to get your back seats to fold down, like the backrest of it, you have to put a wrench back there. They made these things that will clip on there, and then you will have this on the top, the strap, so you can just pull that. So we're installing these two. Should be quick and easy. All this stuff is quick and easy, so that stuff will go quick. That will go fairly quick, and then this will probably take the longest. This is the new one I was talking about, guys. Man, it looks good when it's brand new. But that is the part number. If you guys have a wore out one, you want to try to find one, they're on eBay every once in a while. And then I bought the cushion off Amazon, so it's going to be a lot more comfortable to drive. So these are the things we're going to get on right now. And if the other parts show up before we're done with this video, there will be more. But let's get this stuff started and see how it looks. Got the driver's side on, guys. As you can see, it looks pretty good against the blue. And that's the difference. New, old. And one thing that always bugged me is these things are kind of beat up and have dents and scratches. So I clean them really good with 98% alcohol. And then I use the heat gun, get them pretty hot. It is winter here right now. And then I also heat gun this tape before I stick it on. As you can see, my interior is really dirty right now. So I'll clean it up before I show you guys the final thing. But as you can see, it looks way better, more updated. So like I told you guys before, I'm not a fan of this stuff either, but it sure, look at the difference. Sure looks a heck of a lot better. So we're gonna keep sticking them on, and I'll show you when it's done. There it is, all installed, guys. I left the doors open so you can see it a little bit better, but matches the blue, awesome. Looks great in here. Really darkens it up a little bit too, so I still need to tint this thing. It's kind of been bothering me, but if you guys like how this looks, you can get yours on Amazon or eBay. I got these off Amazon. They showed up in like 2 days, so looks pretty sweet. Let's do the next thing. All right, we got that stuff all buttoned up onto the back. So if you have a Gen 1 Raptor, you might know this or you might not. So the seat folds up, obviously, and then folds down. But these also fold down and up, but they didn't come with the factory lever. So the thing I learned years ago is use a wrench. This is a 3/8, and you got to reach back here. It's easier to take this off to see, and you got to pull this locking mechanism up. You'll see it. It looks like a little keyway. Once I fold the seat down, I'll show you what it looks like, but I'm not gonna try when it's up there because it's pretty small. So let me get this thing folded down and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Got it down, guys. As you can see, look at all the storage space that you guys got that you can't use until you do this mod. So here is what I'm talking about right here. That thing you got to get a wrench on, pull that up and it'll release. You can see the little lock mechanism right there. So it is made to fold up and down. And this kit is just we're gonna take them bolts out, put the kit in, and it'll have a strap that comes up. So I'm gonna go grab that, install it, and show you what it looks like. Before I install it, guys, I just want to show you what the kit comes with. This is basically it. The strap will run through that, obviously, and then this, you can see there's a little cutout in the corner. It'll slide back there, I'm assuming. So it'll kind of go together in 2 bolts. So I'm gonna get this thing all the way installed and show you guys. There it is installed, guys. One thing, I did try to mess with it a little bit, and you do kind of got to adjust this where it goes. The easiest I found is put it about right there, fold this up with it, shut it, it's latched, and then fold this down. It's latched, but you can unlatch this thing in any direction, but see how it's down there now? And when you go to slam it, I guess it does work. It works pretty good. You just kind of got to mess with it, but it does work. I'm happy with it. You can see the levers right here. Pretty easy to get to. You can put some jumper cables, toe straps, gloves, whatever you want back there. Ice scraper. So pretty sweet. Works good. Got both of them on, so there's that one too. On to the next thing. All right, guys. Last part is this. Let's see how this thing turns out. Well, guys, I learned that you might be able to do it in there, but it'll take you 3 hours longer. So I just pulled the seat out. I'm kind of figuring out how to get everything apart, but it looks like this strap right there that goes around, that's connected to this. It looks like that's all one piece, which I can cut the old one, but I still got to get the new one on. So I think you got to unbolt this from the bottom. So I'm going to try to figure this out. Well, guys, I got it out. The cushion comes with it because it's strapped around there. And those Velcro, they were just so tight that they wouldn't come. So you don't got to take it all the way apart. So it should go together here fairly quick, I hope. The hardest part's going to get the foam over that. Well, got it in, guys, and obviously that looks super bad, but my detail guy's coming here Thursday. He's gonna use a tornado on it. It kind of sucks out the dirt and he'll shampoo it. It obviously won't look this good, but it'll be blue again. Right now it's not really blue, but we got it all installed and went fairly easy once it's off. But this thing's been all broken up since I got the truck, so I'm gonna look for one of these on eBay, kind of get that thing looking better. But we're gonna throw it back in and get rid of this thing. Look at that nasty thing. Gross. There it is, guys. Like I said, we gotta fix this thing. The big piece is broke, that's broke, and then that's barely hanging on. So we gotta replace that. As for this, I think that I forgot to pull the Velcro things off. So that's why it's kind of sitting weird. But we'll address that later. It's 5 o'clock and I wanna go home. Well, we got the carbon fiber in here with the new seat. And then we got those straps on all today. So making good time. That's gonna do it for this episode, guys. Hope you liked it. We still have a little bit more to do, but I don't know if I'll fit it all in one episode. It might be a while. We got it tinted still. It's very cold out and this is my daily right now. So it'll probably be a while, and then we still got to do the flares. So hope you guys like the progress on it. Let me know what you guys are thinking so far from how it's came. And if you guys didn't watch the other 2 or 3 videos I have on this, showing what it looked like when I first got it, make sure to check those out. But as always, like and subscribe, guys. I'll see you in the next one.